Hello, everybody. Welcome back. This is Ian. Thank you for tuning in. Today, we are going to explore a very helpful tool for using authentic listening materials in your classroom. This is called Looper for YouTube. So, first, in Google, just search Looper for YouTube. The first link that you get is right here. It is an extension for Google Chrome. Click. So now we're on this page in the Chrome Web Store. It's called Looper for YouTube. It is free and it will let you take very small segments of YouTube videos. So that way, whatever listening text you want to give to your class, it will not overwhelm your students. You can do things in just very small segments, or you can only share a very small portion of a bigger video. So once you're on this page, hit Add to Chrome and then Add Extension. Boom! Looper for YouTube has been added to Chrome. Let's go to YouTube then and find something to play. But how about a music video of a song that I really enjoy? It's called Without Me by Halsey. I want my students to sing along with me, but the song is so long. I think we can do this by working on just a small portion of the lyrics. So first, find a spot of the lyrics that you want to loop. Okay, let's start right here at the hook. I want to start the loop right here. We will work on these lyrics right here. So on this video, right down here, it says loop. Click. Now we have some choices. We can choose one small section of the video that we want to play multiple times. So that way the students can have lots of practice by speaking only a small segment of the song. So let's see. We will start right here at 1:05. How about 1:04? Now, where do I want to finish up? Okay, how about 1:12? We'll just practice a very small section. So take this other end right here, drag it to the right, and you can also change the numbers here. So 0, 1, 2. Now we have a loop. It is 8 seconds. Now I want to loop this for 10 times. And as you can see, so far it has played 1 time. So let's start the loop. Feeling so high but too far away to hold on to me. Tell me how's it feel sitting up there. Feeling so high but too far away to hold me. Tell me how's it feel sitting up there. Feeling so high but too far away to hold you me. Tell me how's it feel sitting up there. Feeling so high but too far away to hold me. So as you can see, the video just plays a very small section many different times. So I can pause the video and have students memorize or have them sing several different times in a row and then pause and then have them recite from memory. There's a lot of options that you have when you use Looper for YouTube. I want to show you one more feature. As you can see, the URL has added some extra information. So now here it says loop equals 10, start equals 1 minute 4 seconds, and end equals 1 minute 12 seconds. Let's copy this URL. It's a nice URL. So here I have my hideous PPT, and I want to take my URL and paste it in the PPT. Copy, Control C, paste, Control V. Bam! Let's start the show. Let's click on this link and see what happens. Now be careful. This opens up Internet Explorer. This function will not work on Internet Explorer. We have to make sure that we use this in Chrome. So unfortunately, unless you can It's very difficult to do this directly off of the PPT. However, it works very well if you use Google Slides because it will embed the video. Or you can copy the URL, paste it right here in an empty window, and now the loop should start by itself. Tell me how's it feel sitting up there, feeling so high but too far away to hold me. So now it saves the loop so you can copy and paste it, and you don't have to spend as much time finding the spot of the video or figuring out where to pause the video. It's very simple, it's very straightforward. I hope that you found this helpful, and I wish you the best of luck looking for your authentic materials. And until I see you in class next time, cheers!